If you want to add a note to your WhatsApp profile, this video is for you. Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to add profile notes in WhatsApp. So let's get started. Make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version to use this new feature. First of all, open WhatsApp on your phone. After that, tap on three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on settings. Now tap on your profile picture from here. Then tap on about. Now here you can type your note. For example, here I type, "Hi everyone." You can add a personal status, a reminder or anything you want others to see. After that you can add emoji by tapping on emoji icon. Then you can change the duration by tapping on duration. Here you can select any duration you want to use. I am selecting custom for this example. But remember, you cannot set the duration for more than 1 month. After selecting the duration, then tap on OK. Now select the time from here and tap on OK. After that, tap on the check mark icon to save your note. And that's it. Your note is now added to your WhatsApp profile. Now if anyone visits your profile, they can easily see the note you have added. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.